In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view deleted or voided invoices or bills in Xero. If you've ever needed to confirm whether an invoice was removed, understand why something no longer shows in your usual lists, or tidy up an audit trail, this walkthrough will help you surface exactly what you need, quickly and confidently. First, a quick bit of context. In Xero, a deleted invoice is one that's been removed from your active records, while a voided invoice remains in the system with its number reserved but carries a voided status and no financial impact. Being able to see both is essential for reconciliation, audit queries, and general troubleshooting when something seems to be missing. Start by heading to the sales area in Xero. This is your hub for everything related to invoices you've issued. From there, open the Invoices page. You'll land on a list view that shows invoices by status like draft, awaiting approval, and so on. Deleted and voided items don't appear in the everyday lists by default, which is why we'll use the search tools next. Open the search function. This brings up Xero's advanced search panel so you can refine results beyond the standard filters. In that search panel, look for the option labeled Include Deleted and Voided and turn it on. This is the key setting that tells Xero to show records that would otherwise be hidden from normal lists. With that option enabled, run the search to refresh the results. You'll now see invoices that are marked as deleted or voided, clearly labeled so you can review them in context. A few tips to make this even easier. Consider adjusting the date range or contact if you're trying to narrow down a long history. Keeping the date setting broad is helpful when you're not sure when something changed. If you don't see the option to include deleted and voided items, make sure you have the right user permissions in Xero. Also, remember you can't restore a fully deleted invoice, while a voided invoice remains visible for reference with its audit information intact. If you're checking supplier activity, the same idea applies to bills. You'll find a similar search experience there, including an option to include deleted and voided items, so you can review what's been removed or voided on the payables side as well. And that's it. By navigating to sales, opening invoices, using search, enabling include, deleted, and voided, and running the search, you'll get a clear, auditable view of removed or voided records whenever you need it.